I'm Marie from Wisdom Preserved, and right now it is winter time and I have been finishing up my greenhouse, and so I have all my construction stuff out, but there's still snow on the ground, so I can't do anything to start my garden. And as you guys know, I'm doing a new method this year. I'm going to do the Mittleider garden, and so there's a couple of pieces of equipment, so to speak, things that he has you make to use in your garden. So since I have the construction stuff out right now, I thought it would be a good idea to show you how to do those. And the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to make a dowel into a dibble. To make this dowel into a dibble, all you have to do is cut it so that it is 6 inches long. So make your mark, and then we'll run over to the chop saw. Now that I have my dowel cut into 6 inches, I'm going to mark the 1, the 2, and the 3-inch marks. And then I'm going to use my, actually, clearly I'm not. This doesn't fit. Now that I have my 3 marks on it, I'm going to either use some kind of a carpenter's pencil sharpener, or you can use a sandpaper. This is 50 grit, so it works pretty well, and make a nice little point on it. So now I have a nice little point to my dibble, and really, for all intents and purposes, it's done at this point. And you would use this dibble to help you to dig out your seedlings for transplanting. For me, though, I am going to do one extra step, and I'm going to go ahead and mark those 1-inch marks with a wood burner, just so I'll have a depth marker. And that is all there is to it. So thank you for joining me and learning how to make what you never knew that you needed for your garden, which is a dibble. Don't forget to keep an eye out for my other videos in the Mittleider Gardening series.